Hey boss, $69. It can be a necklace. If you want to play, you can play. $69. How happy and have fun. Titanium alloy and PI materials. $290. All made of stainless steels. Come on, boss. Chinese god, 钟馗, Chinese ghost, 钟西西. But they all happy. $249. It's a stone blade and a fidgettoy slider. You can see all the blade. Oh, it's all black. And it's a stone. And there is the gold. Sorry, I don't know how to say it, but it's cool and so comfortable. Okay, and this is fidgettoy slider. Cat eye stone. It's so beautiful. Hope everybody can earn donors.